Let's see here. So here we go. Here I am. So I've made it so I can click on whatever color I want to track. Because of the lighting, I found out that it works pretty well with my ring, and I've created this really fancy flickering randomized line color. See, it works kind of. Not that perfect though. Some disturbance. I made it so I can hit I and then invert. Before I found out that it worked pretty well with my ring and inverted. Let's try here. I'll just click. Something like this. Well, as you see, it's not perfect, but it works. Let's just try something like that. Yeah, it might be because of the lighting conditions also. So let's have a quick look at the code. First of all, I have my draw function. Nothing special going on in there. And then here I have my main sketch. First of all, it's important to import processing video. I have my capture object, which I call video. Then I have stored here in order to store my track color. And then I create an instance of my draw class. I have my boolean to switch my filter, which is the simple inverse filter on and off. My setup, I set size, new capture, nothing new here. I use the video.start. If I don't do that, then I will not start the video feed. Then I have my track color. I set it by default to red. Then I create a new draw. So inside my draw function, I just say if video is available, then I should read the video. Then I load pixels. I display my image. So each frame from my video that read will be displayed in this image function. Then I just say if my filter is true, then invert filter. Then I have my variable here I use later on in order to compare with, and I have my XY coordinates of closest color. Then I run through my loop where I check every pixel. It's a nested for loop, run through the width and height. Then I look at the current color, and then I calculate the distance between these. And then I say if the current color is more similar to the track one, then I should save that current location and the difference. Then finally, here comes my world record I had up here, right here. So I say if it's smaller than 10, and it's something I can tweak depending on, of course, the lighting setup and so on. Then I update my draw function, and then finally I display my draw function. I have my mouse pressed here, which I use to save the color reference that I want to track, and finally I have my key pressed function down here, which I simply use to switch my inverse filter on and off. That's it.